At last, contact with another planet, but it's really contact with nightmare.
Everybody's waking up, it's time to make a cup of tea. Every day you do the same thing, stuck inside a dream. Driving off and you see them wearing all their fake smiles. Time to start doing what you hate, but it takes a while. Feel the blood flow, look at them unexposed, stupid grins just to show. What is this, a fucking joke? Now it's time to tell these clones what they'll never know. You were not a part of them, your heart beats, let it go.
Kill them all. Your death will be indescribable. There is no escape from me.
Dreams over, slacking on the job, then you shot up. Everybody's looking at persona non grata. Cold sweat, maybe you should go on back home. So you're grabbing all your things while they snicker undertones. No, not here, not now, but you've had it on your mind for a year and an hour. So you drop that bag and you charge that guy. It's a tragedy for travesties and then a heart attack like
Kill them all. I will recalculate. The perfect man, created by man, becomes man's worst enemy.
everybody's gone to sleep. No one ever heard a word, no one even saw a thing. No, you're not a murderer. As the outer surface peels and the skin is coming off, so you had the nerve to steal. Sick of serving, persevere. Your hands are clean, your eyes are closed. Was that a dream? You're not alone. Your hands are clean and eyes are closed. Was that a dream? Or did they kill you? Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Kill you.